Well, कभी कभी शब्द कम पड़ जाते हैं तो कभी कभी there has been so much said already that it is very hard to decide कि शुरुआत कहां से की जाए। अब हमारे आज के सेलिब्रिटी को ही ले लीजिए। ऐसा कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर है या फिर कौन सा टीवी चैनल होगा where शाहरुख has not made his presence felt? Whether it's interviews, hosting shows, or when his films are screened on TV, Shah Rukh Khan is the Badshah of all that he surveys. Perhaps the most remarkable success story in Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan was not born into a filmy family. In fact, he was born far, far away in Delhi, jahan he grew up in a simple middle-class family. Went to school, then college, and also played sports. He first dabbled in theatre after he finished his graduation. Economics पढ़ रहे शाहरुख खान को उन दिनों ये नहीं पता था that someday people would be trying to guess the total worth of his fortunes. शाहरुख ने थिएटर डायरेक्टर बैरी जॉन से एक्टिंग सीखना शुरू किया and he made his debut on television in 1988 with the popular television serial Fauji. As Abhimanyu, he stole hearts with his impish smile and easy charm. He also played a small role in the then popular show Circus. शाहरुख मुंबई में शिफ्ट हुए in 1990 and donned the part of the struggling actor. लेकिन Destiny's favorite child didn't have to wait for too long. He received an offer from Hema Malini for her film Dil Aashna Hai. लेकिन his first film to release was Deewana, opposite Divya Bharti and Rishi Kapoor. Though उनका रोल ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं था and he had to play second fiddle. शाहरुख received the Best Debutant Award. The stars were shining bright and शाहरुख को कामयाबी बाहें फैलाकर बुला रही थी. Amongst his early films was Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman and the controversial and now never discussed Maya Memsaab. लेकिन मुंबई की माया नगरी शाहरुख का घर बन गई थी. लेकिन कंट्रोवर्सी हो या कुछ और, the superstar of the future had arrived और शाहरुख को रोक पाना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन था. वैसे we have all heard that कहावत कि जब भगवान देता है तो छप्पर फाड़ के देता है. Whether it's good news or bad, but from the mid-90s to the current date, शाहरुख की किस्मत चमक रही है. While he gained popularity playing negative roles in Bazigar, Anjam and Dar, his real break came with Aditya Chopra's Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, easily one of the most romantic movies of our era and one of the best films made in the past 2 decades. DDLJ created a nationwide hysteria. लोगों की नजरों में प्यार का मतलब था राज और सिमरन. Shahrukh, who was initially reluctant to do the film, found a whole new career path post DDLJ, thanks to his excellent performance in a romantic role. उन्हें light-hearted love stories में एक्ट करने का चांस मिलता गया. He formed successful partnerships with Yash Raj Films and Karan Johar's Dharma Productions. And over the years, a majority of his successful films have come from these 2 production houses. उनकी simplicity, his charm, and that smile which made hearts melt all helped him raise to the top of his league. और देखते ही देखते शाहरुख बन गए the #1 actor in Bollywood. While he did experiment with roles finally and tried hard to get out of the Rahul Raj mold, his performances in Devdas, Swades और Chak De उतने appreciate नहीं हुए. लेकिन he proved that he was a versatile actor contrary to what his critics believed. Though he worked largely within the same genre, Shahrukh tried to experiment as much as possible. Kal Ho Na Ho mein he played a terminally ill man, while in My Name is Khan, he played the role of a man with Asperger's syndrome. Whether you loved him or you hated him, you couldn't ignore Shahrukh Khan. उन्होंने अपनी एक ऐसी इमेज बनाई, एक ऐसा ब्रांड डेवलप किया that the public, the advertisers, the filmmakers, people couldn't get enough of him. From endorsing famous brands to acting with the top stars and directors, the world was in the palm of his hand. दिल्ली से आया हुआ शाहरुख देखते ही देखते बन गया मुंबई का किंग खान, और as some called him the Badshah of Bollywood. Whether it was dancing around trees, doing dramatic scenes, or romancing his girl, Shahrukh lit up every frame he was in. दीवाना से जिसने अपना करियर शुरू किया था, उसकी पूरी दुनिया बन गई थी दीवानी. Over the years, he has redefined what success in Bollywood means. His urban classy style found several admirers outside India as well. And even today, Shahrukh is the most popular star abroad. Has been for generations now. Successful actors अक्सर आगे चलकर फिल्म डायरेक्टर्स या प्रोड्यूसर्स बन जाते हैं. Sometimes उनके पहले से फिल्म प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस होते हैं in case of star sons. लेकिन some like Shahrukh have to learn the ropes from scratch. Acting में किंग खान बनने के बाद Shahrukh decided to venture into production with फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. लेकिन Dreams Unlimited के सपने सच नहीं हो पाए. The company, which he started with Juhi Chawla and Aziz Mirza, produced 4 films, लेकिन एक भी सुपर हिट नहीं हुई. After फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, Shahrukh acted and produced the beautifully shot Ahsoka. While the movie was critically acclaimed and Shahrukh's performance was praised, the movie failed to create any magic in the box office. One Two Ka Four, in spite of its impressive star cast, also flopped at the box office, and Dreams Unlimited did not seem such a promising venture anymore. चलते चलते Dreams Unlimited की आखिरी प्रोडक्शन थी and the movie was a hit. लेकिन after this release, Shahrukh took over the company and rechristened it to Red Chillies Entertainment. लगता है मिर्ची का तड़का शाहरुख के लिए लकी साबित हुआ. The first venture of this new production house, now owned by Shahrukh and his wife Gauri, was Farah Khan's mega-budget film Main Hoon Na. The campus caper, which saw Shahrukh playing a commando who goes back to college, was the largest hit of the year. और आखिरकार शाहरुख के फिल्म प्रोडक्शन में फॉर्चून्स बदले. Red Chillies also produced slightly हटके films like the lavish-looking Paheli, जो blockbuster hit तो नहीं हुई लेकिन was chosen as India's selection to the Oscars, and Billu, which also got good reviews. The next blockbuster for the production house was Om Shanti Om, again directed by Shahrukh's friend Farah Khan. Om Shanti Om was a melodramatic love story complete with lookalike jodis and Punarjanam, while also poking fun at the industry itself. लेकिन with lots of color, chutzpah and great music, ये film भी बन गई super duper hit, and Shahrukh retained his dual crowns of being an ace producer and actor. Red Chillies kept raising the bar year after year with its productions. The next big venture was My Name Is Khan, which was largely shot abroad with Khan playing Khan, a man with Asperger's who sets out to meet the President of America. Directed by Shahrukh's best friend Karan Johar, ये फिल्म बहुत सक्सेसफुल हुई and was popular with critics as well, जिन्होंने finally शाहरुख को एक बहुत ही challenging रोल करते हुए देखा. While films remain their flagship business, आज Red Chillies has diversified its business greatly. वो cutting edge special effects design और execute करते हैं. They are producing content for television through Red Chillies Idiot Box and making ad films through Red Chillies TVC. In fact, Red Chillies VFX की capabilities की वजह से ही Shahrukh was able to fulfill his dream of making a sci-fi film. After 4 years of preparatory work and sets constructed around the world across 15 studios and with 1,000 people working as crew members, Shahrukh dream project Ra.One, one of the most expensive films ever made in India, released to packed theaters in both 2D and 3D. Ra.One ने कई box office records तोड़े, and it now holds the record for being one of the highest earning films in recent times. शाहरुख का अगला वेंचर उन्हें फिर ले गया स्कूल और कॉलेज, when he co-produced Student of the Year with his good friend Karan Johar. इसके साथ he will also be producing Chennai Express and Happy New Year, which will release next year. Shahrukh is truly the man with a Midas touch. Whatever he touches turns profitable. If not immediately, then eventually. If you want a film producer, a superstar actor, a television program creator, or a special effects studio, 5 साल पहले Shahrukh made heads turn when he decided to buy an entire cricket team in partnership with Juhi Chawla and her husband Jay Mehta. Cricket team के co-owners and public face बन गए Shahrukh, and for the past 5 years he has been tirelessly supporting and promoting his team. वो मैचेस के दौरान अपनी टीम को सपोर्ट करने जाते हैं, और जहां शाहरुख हो वहां उनका मैजिक टच कैसे नहीं होगा. From day one, his team was one of the richest and most profitable teams. While उनकी on-field performance थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ थी for the first 3 years, season 4 में they pulled up their socks and played well, and this year they even won for the first time in 5 years. Like their owner, who was a dark horse in the industry, his team also turned the tables on their critics and became the champions. Shahrukh is also the face of India's Formula One team, thanks to his appeal in India and around the world. In addition to acting, production, business and sports, Shahrukh has also had a successful stint as a TV host. He replaced Big B as the host in a popular Indian television show in 2007, and he hosted the 3rd season of the show. A year later, he hosted another Indian adaptation of a popular game show. Shahrukh won awards for his stints as a television anchor. His last venture as an anchor was in the Desi version of an American show. In addition to his appearances as an anchor, he has also participated in several award shows as a host or a stage performer. Given his popularity around the world, Shahrukh अक्सर world tours का हिस्सा रहे हैं, entertaining his millions of fans around the world. Shahrukh unfortunately सिर्फ एक है, but everyone wants a piece of him. He is a popular face for product endorsements as well. Over the years, उन्होंने अपनी एक formidable reputation बना ली है. He is often labeled by the media as brand SRK. 1999 में शाहरुख ने सेलिब्रिटी एंडोर्समेंट्स की दुनिया में कदम रखा। Given his nature of being the best at whatever he does, it was no surprise कि उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ती गई। And in 2009, he was ranked first in a list of top-notch brand ambassadors. At one stage, he was endorsing up to 34 brands that included high-end watches and clothing and brands used by the common man, such as electronics and paints. उनकी इस versatility को देखकर पता चल जाता है that he is someone who is a role model or icon for the Indians across all social classes. कोई भी फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड ना होते हुए किसी गॉडफादर के बिना शाहरुख has achieved heights that only one can dream of. No matter what ups and downs come his way in the future, he will remain perhaps the next most iconic star and success story after the Big B himself.